So the rocket is supposed to launch any minute now. So I'll show you guys what it's here.
Here it is.
There's the moon. Can you see it?
Oh, well,
Focus.
no.
You don't see the face, but yeah. And there's my grandma. There's Gunner.
I can't get it.
It's about to start any second.
There's a what?
It's gonna pop up.
A reindeer on Grandma's motorcycle in front of the camera.
You know what? I wonder if we should walk over here, you guys. Is that your thing you're doing, or is that for Dad?
For me. My channel.
It's all from Dr. Cool this afternoon. I didn't get it. 12 in the morning, Mom.
Grandma, do you see that rabbit over there?
Yeah, that's not it. No, you're going to see. Actually, let me see if you can see it from the street. We were out here. Like, Mom, you gonna be okay going down there? Okay, this one. Yeah. I mean, once it's up, you'll see it. It's just, you might be able to.
Here, you hold it. Don't touch it, Gunner.
Emily, that's hilarious. Emily, do the orange justice.
No.
Why?
I don't know how to. I'll try it. Ready?
You're doing it, Emily.
Don't you kids need a jacket on?
No, I'm fine. Now we're just gonna wait. Sweetie. Emily, what's that? The lights. Oh. Baby shark doo doo doo. Stupid. Baby shark doo doo doo. Shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark. Another one. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark. Grandma shark doo doo. So it's supposed to come in like 11 minutes.
Can't wait.
Gunner, go do the floss. You're too close. You can't see anything. Scoot back a lot. Keep on going back. Keep on going back. Fine. Hey, floss. Orange justice.
What are you even doing?
Fine. Do the hype. Do hype. Do hype. This thing.
Oh, they did. All right, guys. Sorry. They scrapped. No, wait a minute. Still going.
Okay, my turn. Go do something. Go do something in front of the camera. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. You're too close. Oh, I'll do that too.
We're scrapped, guys. Let's go inside.
Why?
They had a problem.
So apparently it was delayed.
Come on, guys.
That sucks. Okay, yeah. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Bye.